Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and we shall have a look at the Ringke Fusion X back case for the iPhone 11. This case is also available for the iPhone 12 as well. It is available for the whole lineup, that is the 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. But today in this video I have the iPhone 11 which I brought recently, and many more videos of the iPhone 11 is lined up. I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but this year I have purchased the iPhone 11 from the Amazon Great Indian Festival. And do subscribe to our channel to check out more videos on the iPhone 11, LG G8X and many more smartphones and cool technology content. As you guys can see here, I am on the Amazon's page and I am just searching for the Ringke case for the iPhone 12 series. There are many other case brands which we have covered in the past like Ringke, Poetic, Spigen, etc. But the one we are looking at today is the Ringke series. As you guys can see, there are a variety of different cases available for the iPhone 12 series like the clear transparent case, plain back case, Ringke Air case, rubber bumper case, hard case, completely camo based bumper case and many more. The prices for the cases start from 700 rupees all the way around 2000 rupees, and I've added the links for the cases in the description. Please do check them out. So as you guys can see, this is the case that I have purchased for iPhone 11, which is the Ringke Fusion X Camo Black case. The box mentioned price is around 1999, but you can get it as low as 1100 rupees. There is a filament that is present inside the case which we have to remove before putting the case on your smartphone. This case is made up of polycarbonate material with rubber edges for better protection. The case has a rugged look and has an outstanding grip to hold in the hand. It also has a very minimal bulk. The overall weight of the case is just 35 grams and iPhone 11 weighs 194 grams, making it under 229 grams with the case. We have to remove the filament which is present inside it, and also you can just put the case for your smartphone and check out how good the phone feels with the case. The case has very good levels of flexibility which makes it easier for us to insert and remove your phone from the case. All the models in Ringke case series has extremely premium build quality which gives you a sense of confidence to use the phone a little bit rough, because the cost of repair of your phones without the case for iPhones are super expensive, and if you just drop and something breaks, it might cost some time more than the phone itself. This particular case has an excellent camo look to it which makes it look really cool. Overall grip of the case is fantastic and makes you feel that you are holding something which is very costly. The case perfectly fits for your iPhone 11, or even if you buy a Ringke Fusion case for your iPhone 12. There are no gaps or distortions in the case whatsoever. The cutouts that has been made for the camera, the charging port, the alert slider are perfect and are very symmetric. The case has rubberized edges throughout the case structure which makes it 4 times better in terms of durability. The back surface of the case has some kind of textured material plastic which has ridges on it, helping it to grip better. The case comes with military grade standard 810G protection for at least 4 feet from the ground as per the tested conditions. There is also a quick catch that is present on the bottom side of the case which helps you to attach some wrist straps, neck straps or some keychains as well. The buttons such as the power button, the volume rise or decrease button are super clicky, and I'm damn sure it urges you to click more due to its clicky nature. Overall, I have been really enjoying the build and design of this case. Now let's go ahead and check out the raised lip structure of this case. The case has a raised lip design, which means the 4 corners of the case are raised a little bit around a few millimeters to increase the protection rate for your smartphone. And if you keep your phone face down on a table, there is no chance of picking up scratches on the screen because of its raised lip. And also, any general tempered glass or screen protector works perfectly fine with the case and it will not actually touch. The grooves that has been made are actually perfect, and any finger can easily make sure that you can turn on or turn off the alert toggles. The Ringke Fusion X case also supports the wireless charging, and it is perfectly working fine in my case. Any wireless charging pad that you have will charge up your phone alone with the case as well. and it has really nice design, textured feel and finish, rubberized edges, military grade standard 810G base protection, making the Ring-K Fusion case more impact proof and fall resistant. This case is bit on the costlier side, around 1100-1200 rupees, but you are the one who need to decide which is bigger, the cost of the case or the cost of the repair of your phone in case something goes wrong. My phone with the case fell a couple of times, and even in my car while phone was attached to the mobile phone holder on the dashboard, and case has already proven to be worthy. I have given the links for the cases in the description below, and if you buy it from that link, it will certainly help us out. And also, YouTube analytics says more than 96% of you guys watching this video don't subscribe to us, which is very sad. If you liked our content and want to make sure more people watch it, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.